Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pre-workout coffee at home. First, select a strong coffee base, like espresso or cold brew, for a robust caffeine kick. Next, consider adding supplements such as creatine or L-theanine to enhance focus and endurance. This homemade option offers a cost-effective and customizable alternative to store-bought products, allowing you to tailor it precisely to your workout needs. For your base, choose a strong coffee, about 8 to 12 ounces, to provide a solid caffeine foundation. Next, incorporate 3 to 5 grams of creatine monohydrate. This helps improve strength and power during your workout. Don't forget 100 to 200 milligrams of L-theanine, which can smooth out the caffeine's effects, promoting focused energy without the jitters. These ingredients work synergistically for optimal performance. Customizing your pre-workout coffee is key to maximizing its benefits. Adjust the caffeine content based on your personal tolerance and the intensity of your planned workout. For an extra flavor boost, try adding about 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, which also offers some health benefits. You can also experiment with natural sweeteners like stevia or a small amount of honey to suit your taste preferences. Always prioritize safety when creating your pre-workout blend. It's crucial to consult a doctor before introducing any new supplements into your routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Pay close attention to how your body reacts to different ingredients and adjust accordingly. For more great tips and deals, including how to read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below for links and other offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.